Welcome to Curious Minds. Floating 400 kilometers above Earth, there's a massive science lab that never sleeps. It's called the International Space Station, or ISS, and it's one of humanity's most ambitious collaborations in space. So how did a giant science lab end up orbiting our planet? The idea took root back in the 1980s, just as the Cold War was cooling off. Space agencies from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada all imagined a shared outpost, a research hub in low Earth orbit. Construction kicked off in 1998. Over 100 rocket launches and more than 30 space shuttle missions built the ISS piece by piece, all in the weird, weightless world of zero gravity. Here's something wild. The ISS orbits Earth once every 90 minutes. That's a speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour. If you look up at just the right moment, you might catch it streaking across the sky. How big is it? Picture a football field. Now imagine it flying, decked out with massive solar panels. Maintenance is a non-stop job. Astronauts and robotic arms repair solar panels, update software, and keep everything running smoothly. Because in space, even a tiny problem can become a big deal. And yes, space junk is real. The ISS is constantly tracked from Earth, ready to dodge debris at a moment's notice using automated maneuvers. But why go through all this trouble? The ISS is a laboratory unlike any other. Here, astronauts test how microgravity affects the human body, run experiments that are impossible on Earth, and prepare for future missions to the Moon and Mars. Who's in charge? Believe it or not, 15 different countries have pitched in. The main players: NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, Japan's JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency. And the price tag? An estimated $150 billion. That makes the ISS the most expensive structure ever built by humans. At any given time, about 6 astronauts call the ISS home. They share meals, conduct research, and yes, even make the occasional video call back to Earth. But what if something goes wrong? Backup systems, redundancies, and emergency escape capsules help keep the crew safe. Still, the ISS is one of the most fragile and isolated places we've ever occupied. Could someone turn it into a weapon? Technically, no. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 bans all weapons of mass destruction in orbit, keeping the ISS focused on science and cooperation. How long will the ISS last? Most of its systems are set to retire around 2030. After that, it could be deorbited, or maybe a new wave of commercial or international stations will take its place. But for now, the ISS remains a powerful symbol of what's possible when we look beyond borders. And look up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more fascinating content.